to continue to work with us. We would love for you to continue to market our products, and we would love to have you build a long-term relationship with us. Best of luck to you, and best of luck to the Hero Homes team.
Dhaka Expressway. The Palatial is the epitome of modern living. With stunning 3.5 and 4.5 BHK apartments. It's a place where elegance meets comfort. Here, life flows effortlessly. Spacious homes designed for every member of your family with thoughtful touches that make every day feel special. From temperature-controlled swimming pool to a state-of-the-art gym, jogging track and expansive parks, the Palatial offers amenities that transform every day into an experience. The Palatial is more than just a home. It's a community where connections thrive and every moment is shared. End your day in the comfort of your dream home with breathtaking views and the peace of mind that comes with living in the heart of Gurgaon. The Palatial, where your dream home awaits. Come experience a new way of living.
Thank you so much once again for being.
मैं बोल रहा था भाई ने पता होता है मैं अपने घर से बाइक लेकर आता भाई मैं गाड़ी मंगाता ही ना आप तो कहीं तो दिए कल भाई क्या है वरना हम 12 बजे जाते हैं आप क्या है बहुत सही Thank you. Thank you. और भी और कैसा है यार आपका ऑफिस है ना जहाँ आप जहाँ नहीं रखो ये स्पेक्स बताओ कि रुक जा यार क्या जल्दी हो तुम्हारे को all microwave, all the gadgets, latest gadget inbuilt in this kitchen with the same modular kitchen we will provide.
with a dishwasher and all the things.
Utilities outside.
Utilities, wraparound utilities backside, which is connected to service personal room. Backside काफी बड़ी है sir. Parents room sir, second master bedroom.
Ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for coming and making your presence here on this wonderful evening. The weather is really good, and of course, it's an absolute pleasure to have you here with us today at this exclusive event that promises to set new standards in modern living. Today is a celebration of vision, elegance, and the pursuit of extraordinary. Now, I have a little secret to share. Come hence on it. So the journey we are about to embark on expectations. Of course, we are not just talking about ambition and refinement. And that's where the tagline of this new projects come in. There's more to 104. So can we have a big round of applause for our new project? If that one applauds, you all are curious to find out what exactly that means. But trust me when I say it's more than just Hero Homes, as you all know, that has always been a pioneer, setting benchmarks in craftsmanship, design and comfort. This new launch continues that legacy, offering expensive spaces, world-class amenities and an attention to detail that promises nothing short of perfection. We have a look here. We all know Mr. BML Munjal. Can we have a big round of applause? Mr. Brij Mohan. These two guiding principles have been key to the group's success and growth. Can we have a big round of applause for our partnership? Big means I was expecting louder than before. Thank you. Hero Enterprise is a brainchild of Mr. Sunil Kant Munjal, the youngest son of Dr. Brij Mohan Lal Munjal, the founder of Hero Group. So Hero Enterprise has drawn upon
Very interesting statistics today. Yes. Number 3, China. What is the trend? Number 4, Japan. So what is the trend? The trend is the number of IPOs that India had, that these countries had, the most IPOs in the world. India led with over 300 IPOs. So this shows how our economy is changing. I'll give you another set of statistics. And again, that's a very wonderful statistics. And this statistics was from the Knight Frank report, the Wealth Report 2024. Number 1 is India. Number 2 is China. Number 3 is China was about 30%. US was about 25%. And so on. So if you really look at this entire scenario, what is happening? The India is going ahead. India is
in Gurgaon, or rather it is not palace. We are not saying that it is a palace. Our definition of everybody's definition of palace may be different. So here we palace means these are, you see, the towers. It will look like your project will look like this. It will have a retail area also. So this is the club. This is one of the view. This is what, if you see the crown, when I focus, when the towers will have a crown, or your tower will have a crown. This is what our retail area of the commercial area, which is almost 13% of our total, will be covered under this. This is another view of the kind of advantage we are going to give. So if we see that we have by virtue of this place, it has an unparalleled connectivity. It is rises there, industrial parks are there. So we have a very big housing, and more we are coming up in Haridwar. So this is now I am coming to the product what we are about to deliver it. So when I say that those kind of things come into picture when we talk of palace. So this is what palace looks like in earlier eras. Now we want to give palace earlier, not like earlier, but our vision of palace is something different. So this is our facade, this is our palace, which we are going to deliver it to you. And the name of the project is Palace Club and Residences. We have state-of-art rooms. Then it will be 5-star living, green sustainable home environment. So Joginder ji also emphasized on sustainability. So we are working on all our projects on sustainability.
3, 2, 1, we'll all speak it out together. 3. Thank you so much, everyone. Thank you so much, all of you. Now I request Mr. Dhawan for a quick vote of thanks.
This particular project. This project, we've upped the game, we've upped the product that we are launching, we are listening to our customers, we are listening to our partners, we are listening to our
जाएंगे ऐसी बातें किया ना करो आज जाने.
So can we just say it out loud? What's written on the screen? Can we just say it out loud together? We can't hear you. Sorry. It's like a classroom. आधे बच्चे कुछ बोल रहे हैं, आधे कुछ बोल रहे हैं. सामने लिखा हुआ है. What's written here? Okay, on count of 3, 2, 1, we'll all speak it out together. 3, 2, 1. Thank you so much, everyone. Thank you so much, all of you. Now I request Mr. Dhawan for a quick vote of thanks. Now clap together. And please have a big round of applause for Hero Group. And have a big round of applause for ourselves, because we always appreciate other, but we never appreciate ourselves. So that clap would be for us. एक बार जोरदार तालियां हो जाए हम सबके लिए.
बाकी लेटेस्ट खबरें जानने के लिए चैनल को सब्सक्राइब और बेल आइकन को प्रेस करना ना भूलें.